This is the Neutrogena Makeup Review Cleansing Towelettes. I do have the refill packs of them. There's 25 in this actual container with them. And I wanted to show you guys, I do a lot of camera work here on Amazon and on other media platforms, and I need to have something that easily wipes off makeup very simply off my fingers. One lift. It's one of the best wipes that I've actually used for that, particularly with lip colors if I'm sampling other lip colors for video. Very easily gets it off quickly, easily, without leaving a weird residue. I've had other wipes that leave weird residues after using them, but this wipe, literally, it's thick in texture. You can feel here that it's kind of a bungee with the makeup part on it. The other part that I do love is on the refill container here, that if you don't actually necessarily use it in a case, it still seals well. I've been using this one now for the past couple of weeks, actually. It seals really, really well and makes it easy to use while sealing shut properly, but also lifting off the product too. This, in fact, sometimes I cut them in half to help save on using them, depending on how much makeup I actually do have on. So very sturdy. I do like the bungee feel on them. And if I do have a lot of makeup from, having heavier makeup from being on videos, it's very, very helpful to get it off. And it's an ultra soft cloth. I've not had an allergic reaction where some wipes I've ended up having a weirdo reaction with some sort of scent in it. Have not had that issue at all with the Neutrogena makeup removers. These cleansing towelettes are actually, you can see it got off my bright lipstick really easily and helps get off heavy makeup too, really, really simply, without having to tug or pull or have an allergic reaction with it.